Namaste. Today we will learn how to find square root by using division method. We can move to exercise 6.4. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. First question 2304. So to find square root by division method, you have to put like this. Here this is a square number. This is a perfect square number. You have to find the square root. The first step is you want to pair the numbers and place a bar on it. Bar above the numbers. So how will you pair the numbers? You want to pair starting from the rightmost side. And you will pair two numbers like this. Another pair is this. So 04 is one pair. 23 is another pair. Now next, consider the first pair. We will write here square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. This is enough. Here 23 is the first number. Now we have to check which is the smaller perfect square number than 23. Here you can see 23 lies between 16 and 25 and the smaller number is 16. That is 4 fours are 16. So here you will write 4 into 4, 16. I wrote the square numbers here to find out which is the smaller perfect square number. So less than 23 we have 16. That 16 means 4 into 4. That you wrote here. 4 into 4 is 16. Now next step is subtract this. 23 minus 16. 7. Now the next step is carry down this set of numbers. 0, 4. Now this becomes 704. Now on this side you have to do, that is doubling this number. Take the double of this number. Here it is 4. So take the double means either you can multiply that number with 2 or you can add it 2 times. Then also you will get the double of that number. 4 2s are 8. Either you can do like this or you can add the number with that number itself. 4 plus 4 is 8. The only thing is that you have to double the number. So 4's double is 8. Now put a dash here. You will put another dash here. Because whatever number you write here, that number you have to write here also. Both the numbers will be equal. Now you want to check. This is the last digits. So you know this is a perfect square, and what will be the square root of a number ending with 4? We can see this is ending with 4 and also this is ending with 4. So the square root of that numbers will either be 2 or 8. So you have to put here either 2 or 8. But only thing is that whatever number you write here, you have to write here also. So first we will try with 2 because its square number ends with digit 4. Here also the square number ends with digit 4. So we are considering this square root 2. 82 into 2. Now you have to consider this 82 and this 2. Multiply it. 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. 164. No, it is not the number we need. Because we need here 704. So we will erase this. The next option is 8. Because that number also squaring you will get 4 in its units place. So let us put here 8. So here also 8. Now let us find out 88 into this number only. Don't take 48. Just take this number 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. 704. So this is the number we want to write here. Now subtract this. Result will be 0. So how will you write the square root? Square root of 2304 equal to 48. This is the division method. You will be more clear while we do the other problem. Second question, 4489. So first you have to put the symbol. Next, pair the numbers starting from the rightmost side. Two numbers. If here you have another number, that is if it was like this, then you will start pairing like this. This number will stand alone. Okay, put a bar above it. Now here, first you have to check which is the smallest perfect square number than this. In our table, it lies between 36 and 49. 44 lies between 36 and 49, and the smallest perfect square is 36. 36 means 6 sixes are 36. So here, don't write 36 here. Here you write 6 sixes are 36. Now subtract this. You will get 8. Now next step, carry down this pair, 89. The next step is double this number above here. So doubling means either you can multiply with 2 or you can add with the same number. So here you will get 12. Now put a dash here. Here also a dash, because both the numbers will be equal. Now check. Here this is the endmost digit. So here it is 9. Which are the possible cases for a square number to end with digit 9? Here square number is 9. Here also square number is 9. So here in this case it will be 3. Here in this case it will be 7. So we can put both the numbers and check. First we will take 3. So this becomes 123 into 3. 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. No, this is not the number. Now we will write 7 here. 127 into 7. 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. Balance 1. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. 89. Yes, we got it. So the number is 7 and 7. So 127 into 7. 889. 0. So square root of 4489 is 67. Next, 3481. Pair it. Now 34. 34 lies between 25 and 36, and the smallest number is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Put here 5, here also 5. 5 5s are 25. Now subtract this, you will get 9. Carry down this 81. This is a pair, so carry down. Now double this number above. 5 2s are 10. Now put a dash here. Here also one dash. Now check, 1 is in its ending digit. So here which are the possible cases to get 1? This one and this one. That is 1 and 9. So we will first put 1 and 1. 101 into 1 is 101. No. Next is 9. 109 into 9. 109 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Balance 8. 9 zeros are 0 plus 8. 8. 9 1s are 9. 9 81. 0. So this is the number. And the square root of 3481 is 59. Next, find square root of 529. Again, pair it from right side. Take 2 at a time. Now this will stand alone. Now check. 5 lies between 4 and 9. Smaller perfect square is 4. 4 means 2 square. Take 2 square. 2 into 2, 4. Subtract, you will get 1. Carry down this 29. Now double this. 2 2s are 4. Put a dash here. What will be the answer? 9 is at its ending digit. So to get 9, either it will be 7 or 3. So we will check with 3. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Yes, that is the result. So square root of 529 is 23. Next, 3249. Pair this. 32 lies between 25 and 36, and the smaller perfect square in that is 25. That means 5 5s. 5 5s are 25. Subtract this. You will get 7. Carry down 49. Now double this number. 5 2s are 10. Now dash and dash. Check, this ending digit is 9. 9 means either 3 or 7. So first we will check with 3. 103 into 3. 3 3s are 9. This becomes 0. 3 1s are 3. No, this is not the number. Next choice is 7. So put here 7. Remember, you have to put here also 7. Don't forget that. 107 into 7. 7 7s are 49, balance 4. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 7s are 7. Yes, 749. 0. Square root of 3249 is 57. 1369. Pair it. Below 13, you have the perfect square 9 because 13 lies between 9 and 16. 9 means 3 square. 3 into 3, 9. Subtract, you will get 4. Carry down the 69. Now double this number and write here. 3 2s are 6. Dash and dash. Ending digit is 9. That means either 3 or 7. You will first check with 3. 63 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. No, it is not the number. So next one is 7. 67 into 7. 67 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 46. Yes, 469, 0. So square root of 1369 is 37. Listen, you have to multiply 67 into 7. Don't take 3 at that time, okay? Just take 67 into new number 7. That is what we did here. Next, 5776. Pair it. 57 lies between 49 and 64 and the smallest perfect square is 49. That means 7 square. So write 7 7s are 49. Subtract it, you will get 8. Carry down the 76. Now double this number and write here. 7 2s are 14. Put a dash here, dash here. Ending digit is 6. So check here. You will get 4 square is ending with 6 and also 6 square is ending with digit 6. So either it will be 4 or it will be 6. 144 into 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 1 4s are 4 plus 1 5. 576. We need 876. Now we will check with 6. 146 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. Yes, 876. This is the correct answer. 76. Root 5776 is 76. Next, 7921. Pair it. 79 lies between 64 and 81 and the smallest perfect square is 64. 64 means 8 square. So write here 8 8s are 64. Balance is 15. Carry down this 21. Now double this number means 8 2s are 16. Put a dash here and dash here. This end with the digit 1. Now check 1 is here. 1 is here also. So either 1 or either 9. So 161 into 1. 161, it is not the answer. We will check with 9. 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Balance 8. 6 9s are 54 plus 8. 62. Balance 6. 9 1s are 9 plus 6. 15. Yes. 89 is the correct answer. Next, 576. Pair it from here right side. This will stand alone. Now, 5 lies between 4 and 9. And the smallest perfect square is 4. 4 means 2 square. So, write here 2 square. 2 into 2. 4. Subtract, you will get 1. Carry down the 76. Now, double this number. 2 into 2. 4. 4 dash, here also dash. This end with the digit 6. Check here. You will find 4 square end with the digit 6 and also 6 square end with the digit 6. So either 4 or 6. 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1. 17. Yes, that is the answer. 24. Root 576 is 24. Next, 1024. Pair it. 10 lies between 9 and 16 and smallest perfect square is 9. 9 means 3 square. So write here 3 3s are 9. Balance 1. Carry down this 24. Now double this number. 3 2s are 6. Here dash. Here also dash. Now end with the digit 4. That is 2 square is ending with the digit 4. Also 8 square is ending with the digit 4. So first we will check with 2. 62 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Yes, that is the answer. 32. Square root of 1024 is 32. It's 3136. Pair it. 31 lies between 25 and 36. Smallest perfect square is 25 among that numbers. So 5 5s are 25. Now balance is 6. Carry down this 36. Double this number. 5 2s are 10. Dash and dash. 6. Ending digit 6 means either 4 or 6. We will start with 4. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 4 1s are 4. It is not the number. Next is 6. 6 6s are 36. Balance 3. 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 3. 6 1s are 6. Yes. 56. Square root of 3136 is 56. Next 900. Again pair it. 9 stands alone. So 9 is a perfect square here. So right here 3 3s are 9. Subtract it. Carry down the 0. Now here double this. 3 2s are 6. Now dash and dash. You want to get 0. What will you do? You know any number multiplied with 0, you will get the answer 0. So put here 0, here also 0. That means 60 into 0, 0. So what is the answer? 30. Don't forget to do this step. Otherwise you will write the 3 only. The square root of 900 is not 3. It is 30. To complete that you have to do this step also. So what I have done here, first I wrote 3 3s are 9. Balance is 0. Carry down this 0 set. Now double this as we did in the previous questions. So double this, you will get 6. Put a dash here. Here also dash. And you need to get 0 here. That means here you will put 0 and 0. Because this number into 0 you will get 0. So 30. Square root of 900 is 30. Next question. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. You have to find the number of digits only. Don't want to find the square root. Just find number of digits in the square root of following numbers without calculation. So how will you do? First I will show you something. Here we have 1 digit numbers till this. All are 1 digit number. And in that you can see in the square numbers either it is 1 digit or it is 2 digit. That is, for 1 digit number, this is square roots, and this is square numbers. For 1 digit square roots, you will get square numbers of 1 digit or 2 digit till this. Now for 2 digit number, this is a 2 digit number. 2 digit number square root, then you will get starting from 3 digit. 3 digit square number, or now we will check with the biggest 2 digit number, that is 99. 99 into 99, that is 9801. That is 4 digit number. 99 is the biggest 2 digit number, so its square is 4 digit number. Now next come 3 digit number. 3 digits. If square root is a 3 digit number means 100. 100 square is 1 and 4 zeros. That means it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. 5 or 6 digit number will be there. Now for 4 digit number, continuing this step, you will get 7 or 8 digit number. Okay, so it will proceed like this. Now our question is, what will be the number of digits in square root if square numbers are given? So first question, 144 is a square number. Find out number of digits in the square root. 144 is 3 digit number. If 3 digits are there in the square number, then the square root will be 2 digit number. 2 digit. Square root of 144, that is 3 digit number, will be 2 digit number. Okay. Now next is in the square root of 4489, how many digits will be there? 4489 is a square number, that is 4 digit number. 4-digit numbers, square root will be 2-digit number. Again, 2-digit number in the square root. This is square root. Okay. This is square numbers digit. This is square roots digit. So if square number have 4 digits, square root will be 2 digit. 27225. In the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. This is a square number. Its square root will have 3 digits. Here we are not doing any calculation. Simply writing the number of digits in square roots. Also in 64. We forgot to write the 64. It was the first question. 64 is a 2-digit number. So its square root will have 1-digit number. Okay. Now the last question in that set is 390625. How many digits in the square number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits in the square number. Then square root will be having 3 digits. Next question. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So we have to find square root by using division method. But here the numbers are decimal numbers. There is no much difference in the procedure, just as we did in the previous question, but only thing is that we have to put a decimal, that is 2.56. Again pair it. Now 2 lies between 1 and 4 and the smallest perfect square is 1, so 1 ones are 1, subtract 1. Now before carry down this 56, you have to put the decimal here because here there is a decimal. That is the only difference you have to do here. All the other things are same as the previous method. Okay. So here now carry down this 56. Now double this one. 1 2s are 2. Dash and dash 6. It is either 4 or 6. Now checking with 4, you will get it is not the answer. The perfect answer is 26 into 6, that is 156, 0. So square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Next is 7.29. Again pair it. Here 7 lies between 4 and 9 and the smallest perfect square is 4. That means 2 2s are 4. Now subtract, you will get 3. Before carry down the set, you have to put the decimal here. That is the only thing you have to do here extra. Next carry down 29. Now double this number. 2 2s are 4. Dash and dash. It is ending with 9. So either it will be 3 or 7. You can check it with 3. Now, if you check it with 3, that is 43 3s are, no, it is not 329. So, next number is 7. 47 into 7, 329. So, square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Next, 51.84. Again, pair it. Now, 51 lies between 49 and 64. Smallest perfect square is 49 in that. And 7 7s are 49. Subtract it. You will get 2. Before carry down, you put the decimal here. Now carry down. Next is double this number and write here. 7 2s are 14. Put a dash here, dash here. The number you write here must be same. Now check what is the digit here. 4. 4. Which are the possible cases? That is either it will be 2 or will be 8. 142 into 2. Yes, it is 284. So 51.84 square root will be 7.2. Next 42.25. Again pair it. 42 lies between 36 and 49 and among that 36 is smallest. So 6 6s are 36. Balance will be 6. Before carry down, put the decimal here. Now carry down 25. Now double this number means 6 2s are 12. Dash and dash here. 5 is at its ending digit. That means 5 square. So 5 and 5. 125 into 5 is 625. 0. So square root of 42.25 is 6.5. 31.36 square root. Pair it. 31 lies between 25 and 36. Among those numbers, 25 is the smallest. That means 5 square. 5 into 5 is 25. Subtract it. Again 6. Carry down this 36. But don't forget to put the decimal. 36 here. Now double this number. 5 2s are 10. Dash and dash. Here 6. Either it will be 4 or will be 6. 104 into 4. It is not 636. So we will try with 6. 106 into 6. Yes. 636. 0. So square root of 31.36 is 5.6. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following number so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. First question, 402. It is not the perfect square. Okay. Now it is 4. 4 is 2 square. So you can write 2 into 2 is 4. Balance is 0. That is subtracted. You will get 0. Carry down this 0, 2. Now double this number. 2 2s are 4. Here check. If we put 1 and 1, it will be 41 into 1. It becomes 41. You can't subtract 41 from 2. So you can proceed this. Here you will end the steps. So what is the problem here? Here this is not a perfect square. That is why we didn't get the answer. So what you have to do is you want to subtract a number from this to make it a perfect square. So here this is the remainder. If this was not the remainder, then it will be a perfect square. So what number should be subtracted? Yes, this 2 should be subtracted from the question. Then it becomes 400. We will try then. 2 is subtracted because 2 is the remainder. Again here, pair it. 2 2s are 4. Balance 0. Carry down the zeros. Now double this number 4. 4 dash into dash is 0. Yes, 40 into 0 is 0. So what is the square root? 20 is the square root of 400. Here 402 and we got a 2 remainder. To cancel that 2, you subtracted 2 from the question. Then you got a perfect square. This was not a perfect square. 1989. Again pair it. 19 lies between 16 and 25 and the smallest number is 16. That means 4 4s are 16. Balance is 3. Carry down this 89. Now double this number. 4 2s are 8. Dash and dash. Here don't want to check the end digit because we know this is not a perfect square. So don't do that. You can check which is a smaller number than 389. While you multiply with this number and this number, you want to get a smaller number than this. 81 into 1, 81, 82 into 2 like that. After trial and error, you will get 84 into 4 is 336. And the balance is 53. Now proceed it. Here, what is the number? 44. Before we double this number, 4 plus 4, 8. Now this is 44. Double that number, 44 into 2 or 44 plus 44. You can do that. 44 into 2 is 88. Now put a dash here and the third digit here. Okay, don't get confused. In this step, we double this number only because there was only one 4. So you put here 8 because 4 2s are 8. Now dash and dash. Now in this step, we have 44 here. So double that number 88. Now put another dash and dash here. Now this number into this number, you have to get smaller number than this or equal number. So here you will not get a number because if you put 881 into 1, here it will be 881. You can't subtract it. So you can't proceed this. So what is the remainder here? 53. If you subtract 53 from this, you can proceed this. I will show you. 1989 minus 53. The answer will be 1936. Now this will be a perfect square. Let us check. Remainder was 53, so we subtracted 53. Now we got a perfect square, 1936. Now square root of 1936. Pair it in 19. That is, it lies between this 4 and 5 squares. So 4 into 4 is 16. Balance is 3. Here doubling this, you will get 8 dash dash. Carry down this 36. Now 84 into 4, 336, 0. Square root of 1936 is 44. Question was 1989. You subtracted 53 from that. You got 1936. It is a perfect square. So what number should be subtracted? 53 should be subtracted. Next, 3250. Again pair it. 32 lies between 25 and 36. You will consider this one. So 5 5s are 25. Balance is 7. Carry down this 50. Now double this 5, you will get 10 dash and dash. Now this is not perfect square. So the smaller number than this, 107 into 7, that is 749. That you will get by trial and error. You want to check it with 104 into 4, you will check whether it is smaller than this. 105 into 5, you will check here. 106 into 6, you can get an answer. It will be less than this. Again you try 107 and 7, 749. If you try 108 and 8, that is 108 into 8, that number will be greater than this. So you will choose 107 into 7. Okay, that you have to do trial and error. Now here the difference is 1. Now 57 is here. Double it. 57 into 2, 114. 114 dash dash. So you can't proceed this. Here the remainder is 1. That means you have to subtract 1 from this question. Then you will get a perfect square. So 3250 subtract 1. That is 3249 will be a perfect square. We can find the answer for that. 3249. Again 5 5s are 25. Balance is 7. Carry down this 49. Double this. It becomes 10 dash and dash. Ending digit is 9. This is a perfect square we know. So ending digit 9 means either 3 or 7. You will try with 3. Not a nearby number to this. So you will try with 7. 107 into 7 is 749. Perfect number. Now square root of 3249 will be 57. Next question 825. Pair it. Below 8 you will get 4 perfect square. That means 2 2s are 4. Balance is 4. Carry down this 25. Now double this 2. That is 4 dash dash. Now you have to write a number here and the same number you will write here. This number into this number you want to get smaller number than this. You will never get equal number because this is not a perfect square. If it was a perfect square you will get equal number. What number will come here to get smaller number than this? You can write 48 into 8 after trial and error. Okay, you can do 47 into 7, 46 into 6, 49 into 9. You will come to the conclusion that 48 into 8 will be smaller than this. 384. Subtract, you will get 41. Now 28 into 2, that is 56 dash. But when you write a number here, it is always greater than this. You can't subtract it. So this is the remainder. So this remainder you should subtract from this number, non-perfect square number. So 825 subtraction 41, you will get the perfect square, that is 784. Let us check whether 784 is a perfect square number. 784, again pair this. This is 2 2s are 4, balance is 3, carry down this 84, double this 2, it is 4. Here ending with 4, so either 2 or 8. So hope it will be 8. 48 into 8 will be 3840. So square root of 784 is 28. Next 4000. We know if it is ending with digit 0, then number of zeros must not be odd. If it is odd, you can say it is not a perfect square. This is 3. It is odd. So you can say this is not a perfect square. So what number should be subtracted to get a perfect square? That is what we are going to find out. So pair it. Below 40, you have perfect square 36. That is 6 6s are 36. Balance is 4. Carry down these 2 zeros. 6 double it. 12 dash and dash. 123 into 3, you will get 369. Balance is 31. Now double this. 63 into 2, you will get 126 dash and dash. So you can't proceed this. 31. So subtract 31 from 4000 because 31 is the remainder. 4000 subtraction 31, you will get 3969. Now we know this is a perfect square. We can find out square root. Pair it. Below 39, you have 36. That is 6 6s are 36. Balance is 3. Carry down the 69. Double the 6. 12. 120 dash into dash. Here we have 9. We will check with 3. 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Square root of 3969 is 63.